Hello Internet, in this video I will do an out-of-box assembly, first time use, and review of this Craftsman M215 159 cubic centimeter 21 inch 3-in-1 high-wheeled self-propelled gas mower that I purchased on Amazon for $365. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a daily driver or a project car, or a project around the home or the yard or the patio, a pallet project, Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Everything is do-it-yourself. Welcome to my channel. So the Amazon delivery person delivered this 81-pound box containing the mower in the bag. It was easy to take out of the box. Okay, the first step is to determine which handle style this is, and I've determined with this by looking at everything that it's the first one, the pull-out handle. And so the first step with the pull-out handle is to remove these. So you just unscrew them and then they pull out. There's two of them. So when they shipped it, the handle basically is a little bit closer in. So I'm going to pull it out to the full extent and put these back in.
Just tighten these.
Okay, next you put these carriage bolts back in place. Now it's been pulled out, and the square part of the carriage bolt goes on the inside. And just tighten the wing nut. Okay, handle's done. Easy. Okay, the next step is to get the pulley rope through the pulley rope guide, which is right here. It likewise has a wing nut on the inside, so you want it loose so you can pull it through, then we'll tighten it. Okay, the next step is to add the oil. But here's the oil. Likewise, it says add oil before use. This is the engine oil that came with it. It's 10W30. Looks like it has a nice spout on there. Otherwise, I would use a funnel. And there's residual oil in here, but you can see that there's it needs to be filled up. Okay, and checking the oil, and it's right where it should be, exactly where it should be. Okay, easy. Okay, next we're going to replace the temporary gas cap, which really is just to keep stuff out of it, with the real gas cap, which is nicely protected here. And I'll get some gas and we'll fill it up. Okay, just finished filling it up with gas. Okay, the mower did great on the front yard for the first time use. It was really a joy to use a new mower and self-propelled. I haven't had that for a while. So I put the catcher bag on, and it's time now to do the backyard, which is a little bit longer. Okay, I just finished. It did a fabulous job. Just love how this mower cuts. A couple things before I end this video. One is that the wheel adjustment is really easy. Previous mowers I've had, you would have to adjust each individual wheel, and it was quite hard to adjust it. But this is just, you do the right side here and adjust both wheels, and it's quite easy. I'm holding the camera here, but I think I can easily adjust this with one hand. It's just that simple, and the front's the same way. And the second thing that I was really impressed with was that first pull. First pull, it starts. There's no priming the motor or anything. It just starts right away. So I'm gonna go on Amazon later tonight and give this mower a 5 out of 5 stars. If you are interested, you can see the referral link below for this mower. This is Scott with Scott's Garage. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And have a great day.